After 50, the body begins to change. Energy feels lower. Recovery takes longer. Little signs of aging start to appear. But here's the truth. Aging is not just about years. It's about what you feed your body. Every bite is either building health or feeding disease. Scientists now know this. Certain foods can slow aging at the cellular level. They protect your heart, brain, and skin. They reduce inflammation, the hidden fire behind arthritis, memory loss, and heart problems. And the best part? They are simple, everyday foods you can keep right in your kitchen. So today, I'll reveal the top 10 foods you must eat after 50. These foods don't just fill your stomach. They protect your memory. They fuel your energy. They keep your body younger for longer. Stay until the very end. Because food number 1 is overlooked by most seniors. Yet it can improve sleep and joint comfort within weeks. Number 10. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collards. Rich in lutein and vitamin K. They protect your eyes and bones. Maria, 65, added spinach 3 times a week. She noticed clearer vision at night and stronger legs climbing stairs. Tip: add a handful of greens to omelets or smoothies. Number 9. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Packed with antioxidants. They repair brain cells and protect circulation. A Harvard study found this. Seniors who ate berries weekly had brains 2.5 years younger. Story: Robert, 70, added blueberries to breakfast. Within months he noticed sharper recall of names and dates. Number 8. Salmon and fatty fish. A true omega-3 powerhouse. Reduces inflammation. Improves brain focus. Strengthens the heart. Also provides vitamin D, boosting immunity and mood. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds. Healthy fats and fiber. They stabilize blood sugar and protect memory. George, 72, swapped cookies for walnuts. His energy became steadier. His weight dropped. His mind clearer. Number 6. Avocados. Full of monounsaturated fats that nourish the brain. Protect arteries. Improve skin elasticity. Potassium regulates blood pressure. Tip: half an avocado with whole grain toast. A perfect senior breakfast. Number 5. Beans and lentils. Excellent plant protein and fiber. They balance hormones. Support gut health. Keep muscles strong. Seniors who ate beans 3 times per week reduced their diabetes risk by over 20%. Number 4. Olive oil. The Mediterranean's liquid gold. It reduces inflammation. Lowers heart disease risk by 30%. Replace butter or margarine with olive oil in cooking. Number 3. Whole grains. Oats, brown rice, quinoa. They provide steady energy. Improve digestion. Reduce diabetes risk. Tip: try steel-cut oats with berries for breakfast. Number 2. Bone broth. Rich in collagen and minerals. Protects joints. Improves sleep. Heals the gut. Story: Ellen, 68, drank bone broth nightly. Within weeks, she reported fewer aches in the morning and calmer sleep. Number 1. Dark chocolate. At least 70% cacao. Rich in flavonoids. They sharpen memory. Improve mood. Protect the heart. Evelyn, 69, switched from milk chocolate to dark. Her focus improved. Her mood lifted. Sugar cravings went down. Let's recap. Leafy greens, berries, salmon, nuts, avocados, beans, olive oil, whole grains, bone broth, dark chocolate. These foods are more than nutrition. They are medicine. They slow aging, protect memory, strengthen the heart, keep joints flexible. Imagine replacing a frozen pastry with oatmeal and berries. Imagine swapping fried snacks for salmon with greens. Over time, these small choices add up. More energy, less pain, sharper mind. So tomorrow, ask yourself, is your plate aging you or healing you? Choose one of these foods today. Start building a body that feels younger than your age. If this video inspired you, share it with a friend. And subscribe for more senior health and longevity tips.